This video will guide you through the necessary steps for adding content to a Learning Objectives Learning Locker. Before you watch this video, please make sure that you have taken the time to watch the video, an overview to the Curriculum Manager, as this will help you to understand some of the concepts that are being covered in this video. Remember that prior to editing your school's framework, you need to ensure that you have planned how it's going to be implemented and who is responsible for updating the different key stages and subjects within the framework. Once you've opened Curriculum Manager and selected the relevant curriculum, identify the learning objective that you want to add items to. These could be teacher notes, exemplar standard material, core resources, or extension resources. As we go through this video, we'll look at examples for each category. Opening the Learning Locker will display the 4 containers. Selecting the Teaching Notes header will expand the view displaying further content. Any content added here by an administrator will be visible to other admin and staff accounts when they log into Curriculum Manager and look at the specific learning objective. Teaching Notes is a plain text window. Simply click in the text box and write relevant notes. This could be a time indication as shown in the example. It could provide reference for physical resources in the school or mention a quiz that's available within Frog Play or a Frog Learn site. Clicking Save will ensure that the text content remains in the Learning Locker. Exemplar standard materials, core resources and extension resources all work in the same way, where you can physically add documentation, web links and content. Selecting core resources and then the plus symbol brings up a dialog box that enables us to add content. In this example, we're going to add a PDF worksheet and a Word document. Using the Upload button opens another dialog where, when working on Chrome, we can drag and drop documents. Alternatively, we can use the blue Choose Files button. You'll be able to see the status of the upload, and a green tick will appear by the side of the item when it's finished uploading. Multiple items can be added at the same time. Clicking Done on the uploader will bring you back to the first dialog window, where you can check the file names, remove files if necessary, and save. Adding these documents into the Learning Locker. Within Extension Resources, we have the same plus symbol and the same options as previous. This time we're going to use the link button, adding a URL to the link box and a cleaner, shorter title to the title box. It's important to note at this point that URLs must contain the HTTP or HTTPS starter for them to be added successfully. Clicking Add will then take you back to the first dialog box, where you can see an overview of the items you've added again before pressing Save. Removing a resource from within the Learning Locker is a simple process as well. A single click on the resource you want to remove will open up a dialog specifically for that resource, where we have the option to remove or alternatively add further notes if needed. You will see a notification in the main window to inform you your content has been successfully removed. All the items we've added to the Learning Locker are essentially active buttons. They will either download content or provide online content for us. Closing the Learning Locker brings us back to the main Curriculum Manager page, where we can then move on to the next learning objective to attach more content. The last video in the series will show you how to activate your curriculum for use within Student Tracker and also publish your curriculum for use on your school website. At this stage, you'll also have the choice to display Learning Locker content or not. This would give you the ability to share working out methods, extension resources, videos, worksheets and more with parents and the wider school community.